charge within certain usage limits.
So first you have to go to Google and search for their website, which is AWS Free Tier account. After that, you will see the sign in button, which is at the top right corner. You have to click on it. So after that, you have to provide them with your email address and your account name. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email account. Fill in the code and click verify. Give your password and confirm it. Here you have to choose how you want to use the account, either for business purposes or your personal use. So you fill in your name, your number, your address, your city, states, and the rest of the information. Here you have to provide your debit or credit card number, the expiry dates, and then the card holder's number. So you have to verify and continue. So you have to confirm your identity with your phone number. Also, you have to type some numbers to prove that you are a human. Then you'll be called and you have to give this number you see. You just have to enter the number. So after this, you have to choose a plan. You have to choose between basic support, developer support, or business support. So I'll suggest you go for the basic support because it's free. After that, you have successfully created our AWS Free Tier account. So this is how you can just create a free tier account.
Now that your AWS account is set up, you're ready to start exploring free tier services. You can use services like EC2 for virtual servers, S3 for storage, and Lambda for serverless functions. But remember, always keep track of your usage to avoid extra charges. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for you not to miss out on any tech videos next.